sounds delish. Let me just toss some jeans on and wait a minute. Who is this?
Hi cuties! So I'm super excited for today's video because it is a Aliexpress haul, which I absolutely love. I basically only shop at Aliexpress because I love a good bargain and they just have like basically everything that I would ever want. This is definitely going to be a very extra Aliexpress haul because I was definitely feeling my most extra self when I was buying these items, but I think that's fun to watch. So yeah, I'm just going to shut up and let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off with clothing, and I'll start with the first thing that I'm wearing, which is this mesh turtleneck, and it has this cloud like cherub angel design on it. This design is definitely very popular at the moment. I think Motel was the first one maybe to do it. I know that they released a range not too long ago that had a lot of these like angel print design pieces, and then now I've just seen like a lot of other brands kind of come out with the same stuff. Dolls Kill, I'm pretty sure, had a collection with it as well. So as soon as I saw this design, I thought it was so freaking cute, so I just had to go on AliExpress and see if they had anything like a dupe, because look, I'm a bitch on a budget. I don't have a lot of money to spend on clothes. I finished uni and now I'm looking for a job, so yeah, I definitely don't have excessive amounts to spend on like Dolls Kill and all that stuff. So I jumped on AliExpress to see if they had anything similar, and they had this amazing turtleneck along with like a few other things. I did order some bike shorts that had the same print, but unfortunately they didn't come in time for this video. So I'm definitely going to be doing another AliExpress haul soon and I'll include them in them. I'm pretty sure every clothing piece I got in this haul was a medium. If not, I will tell you what the size was. But yeah, I got this in a medium. Like I said, if you have a big head, I would size up, but I feel like it fits pretty perfectly. I am actually a size 8/small in Australia, so I did size up one size for everything, and yeah, I'm so happy I did because it fits basically perfect everything, every other clothing piece I got. So yeah, I would suggest sizing up. So the next piece I got was this like little lavender crop top boob tube situation. I thought this was so cute. I love this lavender color at the moment. I'm really loving pastels, and it does have this like little diamante like chain. It's like a little halter top situation, but you can take this off. I really like how it like ruffles around the front and then kind of like tethers into like a little bit of a triangle shape. Gives it like a bit of a, what's called like a corset type of vibe. The only thing is that I did get this in a medium and I probably should have got it in a size large because of my boobies. I feel like this just really like constricts them and makes them look weird. You can't really wear a bra with this, so when I just like wearing it without a bra, I don't know, like it just like squashes my boobs in a weird way. You'll see in the try on, but it just kind of like looks a bit strange. I think that maybe if I was wearing like a tight like boob chewy top underneath it, and maybe it would like squash my boobs into place a little bit more, then it probably would look okay. So I'm gonna try that. But yeah, just on its own it does look a little bit funny, which is a shame because I just think it is so cute. But that's my error, I think, for the sizing thing. If I got a large, it would look perfect. So yeah, I still think the design of the top is really cute. It's just like the sizing issue. So the next top I got, I'm actually obsessed with. Like, I'm probably gonna say this about like everything I got in this haul, but this is like 10 out of 10. I got this like little halter ribbed white top with like these chain crisscross back detailing. This is so sick. To be honest, I feel like this is a rip-off of the brand. Sorry, not sorry, I'm a fake bitch. I love getting fake designer / brand stuff. I know it's probably not the most ethical thing, but at the moment that's just my vibe. So yeah, sound off in the comments below if you want to have a go at me, because I don't really give a shit. But yeah, I think this is so cute. I do think that there was a brand that did make this. I can't remember who it was, so if you do know, let me know in the comments because I would like to know. But yeah, it's just the cutest. It's just like a plain little cropped tank, but this like the hardware detailing just makes it so cool. So the next top, again, I'm just living for. I think it is so cute. It is this little purple like tube top, these really thin spaghetti straps. It's a cheetah print and it's actually like fluffy, so it's got like a fake fur feeling to it. I think this is just adorable. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I feel like this is just like me in a top. Again, got this in a medium medium and it fits perfect. It has these like little elastic thin spaghetti straps, and then it like just like zips up at the back. Look, it's not like the best quality in the world, but for what it is, like, it's fine. You can totally get away from it. Like, the stitching is a bit shitty sometimes, and like, you know, it's a pretty like low quality fabric, but it's like exactly what I expected, if you know what I mean. It was like, this was like $8 or something, so like I really cannot complain. I think it is amazing, and I'm definitely going to rock the hell out of this. So this next top is definitely more of a winter item. It is this like white long sleeve like skivvy top, but then it has this like corset detailing. It's probably not picking up all that well on the camera because it's very white, but this is super cute. The only thing is I got this in a medium, and again, I feel like I probably should have got this in a large just because of the boob situation. The like cup size is just too small, but if I wear a bra with it, it's like totally fine, but it just like definitely doesn't cover my whole boobs. Probably only covers like the front of them. I think it's still like, I could totally get away with it, but if you're looking for something that you can wear like without a bra that kind of would cover and look a bit more realistic and natural, like it's actually holding up your boobs like a corset, I would definitely size up. I'm probably like a C to a D cup, so yeah, I definitely should have got a large, but still super cute. It's actually really, really warm, so I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this in winter. I definitely can't wear it at the moment. Like, this is definitely more breathable because it's mesh, but this one is full on like a skivvy. So yeah, if you're moving into the cold months like I am, I would definitely pick this up. So the last two clothing pieces are probably like the most disappointing things out of like this whole haul, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna preface that. The first one I got is this like metallic green dress. So yeah, it's like metallic green. It's super, super small, really tight. It's definitely a mini. It like basically ends just below my butt. So if you have a bigger butt, that I have like no butt. So if you have a big butt, then I feel like you would definitely have to size up in this if you wanted to get it. It has this like fake pearl straps. When I saw it on the website, it gave me like, I don't know, like a iGirl vibe. I really liked it. I guess I was just really like into iGirl in that moment. But like now looking at it, like I'm never gonna fucking wear this. Like I will never wear this. It's just so like out there. I don't know. Maybe if I layer it, and I could probably style it some way, but like in terms of getting a lot of use out of it, I'm probably only gonna wear it like once, unfortunately. I still think it's a vibe. It's really cool, but just like, I don't know, for me, like, I just don't think I'm at that level yet. Also because it's so tight and the way the fabric is, it's just like not very flattering on my body. I feel like it hugs all the wrong places. Yeah, it makes me look literally like a fluoro green slug. So the very last like clothing piece, if you could even call it that, is this like sheer pink fluffy robe. This is 100% like expectations versus reality picture. So like expectations and reality right here. I feel like if this looked like the picture, it would be so freaking cute, but it is just a really tacky and like budget. It does come with this like tie to like tie around your body to keep it closed and stuff, but it just doesn't really work. And then it comes with like basically nothing, but it's supposed to be like a little underwear thing, which I didn't even know it came with the underwear. I literally just thought it was this. But yeah, I'm probably going to never ever wear this ever. So unfortunately, I just think it's kind of tacky. So the next two items I got are actually bags. So a company from Aliexpress actually reached out to me and asked if they could send me a few bags. So I totally misspoke in this little bit, so I'm just going to explain it a little bit better. Basically, this Aliexpress seller who sent me the bags has to have them as hidden links, because or else Aliexpress will like ban them or whatever. So I'm going to link them in the description, but they don't show the pictures of the bags, so you just have to trust me that you will receive them. But yeah, they just have to be like hidden links. So yeah. So the first one I got was this Louis Vuitton bucket bag. It's super cute. It doesn't have like any closures or anything at like the top. It's literally just like a little bucket. It has these like little tie detailing on the side, and then it has this bag strap which is removable, which I actually is probably like my favorite thing out of the whole bag, because I'm probably going to get just like another random bag and then add this strap onto, which I think is really cute. But this is really cute. My mum actually came down to visit me and she forgot to bring a pan bag, so she actually used this the whole time and she really liked it. She thought it was like the a really great size and everything like that. So yeah, I do think this is super duper cute. The quality of it feels really good. It feels like actual like leather. I did buy a couple of dupes in Bali of like designer bags and stuff like that, and they were just like shitty. They were either too tough and didn't even like move like a natural like leather or even a bag should move, and then the other would be like literally feel like it was like paper and stuff. So yeah, judging against those, I feel like this is really good quality. Again, I don't actually own any designer brands, so I can't like compare it against the real version or anything like that, but to someone in the street, naked eye, I feel like you wouldn't think twice. If you had someone that was actually like really into like designer bags and stuff examining it, I feel like the biggest like thing about this bag is where it's stitched. It's kind of like stitched twice above here, and it's kind of showing up like a little bit white. Like I feel like that's like, I don't know, where the stitching kind of like broke the leather or something. It's like scratched off like a bit of this pattern, and it's got like the tiniest bit along the stitching of like kind of a white little hue. Yeah, that's probably like the biggest like clue that it's fake to anyone who's like, you know, on the street or anything like that looking at it. But otherwise, I think this is actually really cute and a good like everyday little bucket bag. So the next bag is definitely like up there in my favorite thing out of this haul. It probably is the most favorite thing out of this haul, to be honest, but it's this Louis Vuitton mini backpack. This is replicating the Palm Springs backpack in mini. Quality wise, I think this is amazing. I feel like the kind of clues that it's fake are probably this tag here. I feel like the stamp in it, the writing, is slightly like tilted, just like the littlest bit. I feel like that's only like if you're actually examining it, again, like to the naked eye, I don't think you would tell. Things that I think are pretty good is like the actual hardware is all stamped with Louis Vuitton. It's not just like written on there and like or whatever, it's actually like stamped in there. Yeah, and the other thing is I think I did see a girl that had the real one of these out at an event, and I feel like the leather was a bit more of like a caramel brown. It was still dark, but I feel like this is quite a dark brown, whereas the real ones are a little bit lighter. So yeah, I feel like that's like the only difference. Otherwise, it's super good quality. I actually feel like fine taking this out. I don't feel like people are gonna be like, oh my god, I just got like a fake bag, which I don't really give a shit about personally, but like if you do, it's fine. I honestly think like it looks pretty damn good. But yeah, thanks to them for sending me this bag because I actually bloody adore it. Sorry, I just felt like I rambled on about that bag for so long, but on to our next things, which is accessories. I will start with the accessories that I am wearing. So I got this like big chunky ball chain that has this like dog bone on the front of it. This was actually kind of like more expensive. I feel like it was like around $15, which is definitely more expensive for the accessories that I got, but I just thought it was so cool. I had to get it. And the other necklace I'm wearing has this like little lock on it, super duper cute. I actually ordered a gold one as well because I wear this all the time. I just think it like is the perfect piece. I definitely got it on like a longer chain. You can select like the chain length and everything. I do wish I got it a little bit shorter, but I have pliers and I'm like good at like fixing and making things shorter and everything with jewelry. So yeah, I might make this shorter eventually. I think this is super cute. Out of all the accessories, like this is like one of my favorite things. So the next necklace I got was this one here. It actually is like a little cupid, little angel, matches my top actually. And then it has 2 love hearts on each side. So it's just like really cute and dainty and simple. I really love it. It's not the best quality, like the angel's like a bit cheaply made. But I still think it's really cute. I can't remember how much it is, but like I said, I'm gonna link everything below. So the last silver necklace I got was actually just this little tiny dainty Playboy bunny inside a love heart. I feel like this is perfect for layering, but I also think it's just kind of cute and dainty to wear by itself. I really love like the whole Playboy trend that's been going around. I think like Miss Guided did like a collab with them and stuff like that. So yeah, that definitely inspired me getting this necklace. But yeah, super cute. If you like Playboy stuff, would definitely recommend. I think it was like $1. So score. I then picked up some more necklaces, but in gold. So I'll show you the gold pieces that I picked up. So the next one is this one just here. It has this really cool like chunky chain that's kind of like swirled together. And then the pendant is just like this little like star in a rectangle that's been like stamped in there. I think this is really cute. Perfect for layering. Again, a lot of these necklaces I'm just envisioning layered, like a lot of gold with like a cute little summer dress or something like that. So yeah, I really like this. Honestly, probably my favorite thing about this is like the cool chain that's like twisted together. I think it's a little bit different. I don't really have any like chains like this, so I think when I'm layering them, it'll add like a bit more texture. The next one is actually a 3-in-1 already layered necklace. So the longest pendant actually is a little cross in a rectangle, and then the second longest is like this little like shorter, smaller rectangle that has like a rose in it. Kind of reminds me of like the little like rose detailing from Beauty and the Beast, because it looks like it's in like a little frame, which is so cute. And then the very shortest one, I don't know, it's like a little weird, like looks like a Celtic flower or something like that. But yeah, really cute, super easy to just chuck on, and makes like any outfit a million times better. Makes you look like you've put a lot more effort into it than you have. And then I got this one here, which is just like this round pendant that's like a Roman head, Roman coin kind of thing on like a bit of a shorter chain. Again, definitely for layering. I think this is really cute. And the very last necklace is just this little like square pendant that has a rose stamped into it. So yeah, I'm gonna say it for the millionth time. Very cute for layering. And then the last jewelry item I got was just this like simple shell necklace. This was literally $1, and like shell jewelry is just like blowing up right now. I've seen these in general pants for like $15, $20. So yeah, I got this for like $1. I then picked up one hair accessory, which is this hair clip that says Heaven in like little rhinestones. Hair accessories are really in right now, and I feel like they're just going to get like bigger. I feel like they're going to be like the next big trend. So yeah, I thought this one was really cute. I also just love anything shiny and glittery and diamante. So yeah, I feel like this was really cute. And the saying is cute, it's like a little heaven. And then last for accessories, I picked up 2 phone cases. So the first one's this one here. It's really cute. It's like this gray plaid material, and it has this like little thing here that you can like take out, and like makes you like hold your phone a little bit better. Oh my god, it literally just broke. Like the little thing that was holding this on just popped off. There's another one, so like it won't break off fully yet, but that's a bit annoying. Probably wouldn't recommend this, but it's still cute. It makes it like a rectangle shape, and just kind of makes you feel like you have a new phone because it's like a completely different shape. I don't know. It's cute, I like it, but probably not the best quality because it just broke. And then the other phone case I picked up was this one here. I'm obsessed with this. It's just like clear, but again, it makes your phone like a rectangle, and then it has like these little gold detailing all around it. It has like this little gold plate in the middle. It also has this like sheet that is removable that kind of gives it like an opal look. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cool. But you can also take it out, so it kind of gives you like 2 options, which I really like. So that was it for this very extra AliExpress haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please subscribe. It's right down there. And I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.